Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Regions bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL regions.com. Once you get into the website, click on the online banking login button. So after that, scroll down and click on Enroll button. After you do that, you'll be forwarded to this page where you'll need to enter some of your information in order to create an account. So enter your social security number, or if you do not have a social security number, click on I don't have a social security number. Once you enter your social security number, enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you'll need to confirm your email. So click on that, then enter your phone number. Once you enter your information, click on the type of account you are trying to create. So I'm gonna choose personal banking. Then you'll need to choose between these two accounts. So choose any one of these. So once you do that, you'll have to choose a method to verify your personal accounts. So choose between ATM or check card number or customer ID number. So you can choose any one of these and then you'll need to enter your information here. Once you fill in all your information, click on next in order to proceed to other sections. And then you'll have to enter some of your other information. And once you do that, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the Regions bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.